friends, how are you? Today we are going to do a new Canva tutorial. So let's get started. So first we'll open Canva, and in what we are doing today is a Ramadan card. Okay, it's kind of like you can make it as a GIF. Okay, Jiffy. So actually, in this you need some elements which are moving. But if you don't have if you can't find those elements, no problem, you can choose any other. So let's get started. First we will search a background. We'll give a colored background to it. So we're going to go to styles. Then these are the recently used, which you used before, combinations, color palettes, font sets, recent designs. Okay, so what I'm trying to make is a Ramadan card. Okay, now I'm going to choose combinations, and I want a light peach color. I think I like this one, but I don't need a font because I'm not going to really write in it. Okay, when you keep on clicking it, the colors change. So I don't want this color, so it means shuffle. I want this peach color. Now I don't need heading, subheading, and body, so I will just delete it. This is the color which I was expecting. So now we are going to put like confetti background. So we're going to type this confetti background. What you might actually get will be a bit different from mine, but no problem. Okay, so you don't need to worry. So I searched specifically gold confetti, and I got this, and I'm going to use it. So how to really spread it out in the whole one, you have to just like stretch it, and there's no side option. So what I really do is put it more than the slide, make it bigger than the slide. Okay, so we have a moving background. So to get the exact same picture, you may not get, but you can search gold confetti, so you'll get this. Now you will search Ramadan. Now you might get different graphics and photos, but we want a specific one, and I'll show you which one I want. This one, which will actually come black because of our color theme. You can choose a simpler one maybe, but I cannot find a simpler one, so I chose this one. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger and put it on top. Now, wait, it's a bit too big. Now we will search a masjid. You'll see the result of it. You'll love it. Oh wow, I found it. This one. It's a pretty cute one. Okay, now we're going to do it down and make it clear. Make it a bit bigger. No problem if it's hiding a bit of the Ramadan feeling, because you can bring it to front. See, align to page, and no, wait. There was an option before of bringing to front or bringing to back. I don't know where did it go now. Oh no. No problem, it will still work. And the last but not the least, we have to search family. make it more specific. You always go to the graphics because there are cute okay, no problem. I saw some pictures above. Wait, this one. This looks cute. No, it actually doesn't give that effect. Oh my goodness. I'll just search this man who's walking. Yeah, it actually looks good. So we're done with our Ramadan card. I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye.